Let's learn about the distributive property with common factor. Use the distributive property to express 45 plus 15 as a product of a sum with no common factor. All right, so we have 45 plus 15. The greatest common factor in both of these numbers is 15. So I'm going to rewrite each one of them as a product with 15. 45 is a 15 times a 3, gets us that 45. 15 is a 15 times a 1. Now we can pull out a 15 from both parts. So we have a 15 here times a 3 plus a 1, what's left over inside. And there we have it. We've used the distributive property to express 45 and 15 as a product of a sum with no common factor. I hope you learned something here about the distributive property with common factor. And as always, thanks for watching.